Excuse me, can you take me to the city centre?
Sure, please get in. What's your destination?
My destination is the city centre. Is it a long drive?
About 20 minutes, if there isn't much traffic.
Oh no, there's so much traffic.
Yes, the road is very busy.
Go faster.
You mean, can you hurry up?
Oh yes, please hurry up.
I'll try, but I can't fly.
Are we going the right way?
Yes, I'm following the GPS.
How much is the fare?
It should be around $15.
Are we close to my destination?
Yes, we're almost there.
Stop me here, please.
Stop you? You mean drop me off here? No problem, I'll stop here.
Yes, please drop me off here.
Do you want me to drive faster?
No, I want to arrive alive. Fare, destination, drop off, pick up.
And remember, hurry up, but don't tell the driver to drive dangerously.